he did it again.
Yeah, poor guy.
Oh!
BK Royal Crispy Wraps. Eat it with the meal or have it as a snack. Only $2.99. It's a hunger hack and it fits in one hand. And BK, have it your way.
Even if the world turned upside down, I'd still know what's the best brand. Always had my routine on my brain.
This is a coordinated test of the emergency alert system of all stations in Colorado and the Pueblo County area. Equipment that can warn you during an emergency is now being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a severe weather alert, or a danger warning, official messages and information would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the state of Colorado and/or the Pueblo County area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.